Welcome back, everybody. It's produce prepping time this afternoon. The kids are finishing up with their schoolwork, and I'm gonna turn all of this either into something else or get it washed and sliced and ready to be used. That way it doesn't go to waste. I still have some more produce in the other refrigerator, but all of that is still really fresh. We just got it this week. Some of this also is from the stuff we got this week, like the peaches and all, but we're gonna go ahead and prep all of this because if we prep it, we eat it. If I don't prep it, sometimes it may not get eaten, and we don't want that to happen. So we're gonna go ahead and get all of this ready. First of all, with the bananas, we're gonna turn this into banana muffins. So we'll sit these over here. Once I get the mixture made for the banana muffins and get them in the oven, then we're gonna do something with the rest of this. We're gonna wash and cut up the celery. With the peaches, I think I'm gonna go ahead and slice these peaches up and get them in the freezer for smoothies. Same thing with the mango. We might just put the peaches and the mango, some of the peaches in a bag together. The lemons, these are really soft, and I have a brand new fresh bag of lemons over there. I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze these for lemon juice and stick it in the refrigerator. The raspberries, I'm thinking we'll add them to the smoothie bag too because they're getting pretty mushy there. We'll put them with the smoothies. The blueberries, I'm just gonna wash and put them into another container. We're gonna go ahead and slice up the kiwi. This will disappear in like 2 days. Jonah and Cece are loving some kiwi, so we'll just go ahead and get that sliced up. These peppers, I think I'm gonna slice this bag up and put into a container that I might use to make some spicy cornbread one day this week. The rest of these, I'm just gonna put these back in the refrigerator because they're still really fresh. These are the ones we just got this week, and I usually eat these, you know, with different things. So we'll just put those back up. The spinach also, I just wanted to check and see if it was still good. I put it in this bag. I have a brand new bag in there. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and move this to the freezer. Still looks pretty good, but there are a few pieces that are getting bad, but we can use it for different recipes and all that if we freeze it. So we'll just stick that in the freezer. I'm gonna slice up these cucumbers, and I'm gonna go ahead and slice up this yellow squash because I'm gonna make a squash casserole probably tomorrow. These pine berries are still pretty good. We got these last week or the week before. Cece really wanted to try the pink strawberries, but I don't think she likes the texture of them. The texture's a little bit different than a strawberry. I don't want to say that they're mushy, but they're, I don't know. I read about them, and it says they're kind of like a pineapple and a strawberry together. That's why they're called pine berries. I think they're really good, but the kids aren't loving them too much. I am going to go ahead and wash them and slice them and serve them with their snack this afternoon, which is going to be the banana muffins. We'll see if they can eat those up. If not, we'll put them in the freezer because mixed in with a smoothie, they'll just kind of taste like a pineapple strawberry smoothie. We're going to slice the cantaloupe. These mini sweet peppers, I'm going to chop them up into little pieces and put them in a bag and stick them in the freezer, and we'll use those for cooking. These strawberries, I think I'm just going to put these into my glass jar. We still have another pound of strawberries in there that Cece and Jonah are going to use to make their fruit roll-ups. They forgot about it this morning, and I completely forgot about it too. This ginger, Titus puts this in smoothies and does different stuff with it. So I'm going to go ahead and peel it and grate it up and put it in the freezer. That way when he needs some ginger, it's in there ready for him. And we're gonna slice up this, oh, I already told you about the celery. Okay, so that's the plan for this afternoon. I'm gonna see if I can get all this stuff done before the kids finish up with their schoolwork. They probably just have about 45 minutes to an hour left though, so we're gonna have to work quick if I wanna make it. I give myself these little challenges. First, we're gonna mash up the bananas, and I'm just gonna put them right in here in the KitchenAid and let this do the mashing. Okay, while it's mashing the bananas, I'm gonna go ahead and get my other ingredients ready. Putting in a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Still need to melt that real quick. While the butter's melting, I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. There's our butter. 2 eggs. A teaspoon of vanilla. Now we need 2 cups of self-rising flour. And the last thing is a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Okay, so for the streusel topping, we need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Okay, y'all, we are down to the peaches, the mango, and the ginger root. For the peaches, like I said, I just got these this week. They're still pretty fresh. I think I'm just gonna leave them as they are for now. If nobody eats them and they start going bad, I will slice them up and we'll put them in the freezer for smoothies. But yeah, they're still really good right now. The mango, however, is not so great, so I do need to go ahead and get it sliced up. And the ginger root, it's also still really fresh. I think I'll wait another day or so on it too, because it's not, you know, going bad or anything yet. So we'll wait. Put that over there with the peaches. Jonah will just go ahead and eat this right now too. I'll probably just give it to him with their muffins. He loves mango. Now I'm gonna clean up my mess while they have a snack, and then it's time to clean the chicken pen. As for these cute little mini banana breads, I'm just gonna let them cool completely. They're already just about cooled down, but I'll let them keep cooling for about another hour or so, and then I'm just gonna wrap them up and put them in the freezer. Okay, you ready?
Can I dump it in here?
Yeah, I'm gonna dump it in there. Bring it right here.
Okay.
Here they come.
Now it's done.
A little bit more.
Now it's done.
Almost.
Now it's done.
Almost.
Now it's done.
One more time. Now it's done. There you go. Wait for me, I'm getting mine. I think my tire's flat. You need some help over the water? Okay, I got this in. Ready? There we go. Got it?
Yeah. I can do it.
Okay. Where you going? Okay. We're heading down here to the wagon. See, the actual base of the wheel itself is fine. It just needs the spokes and all that stuff rebuilt. Yeah, I think we can save these.
Yeah, well, here are the brakes. Right here, this is the brakes.
Oh, look, Tyler found the brakes. Can you still move it? Let me try to hold it still and see if you can still. Yes, it still works. We'll save this part.
Did they crash the horse Ferris wheel?
I don't know if they crashed.
Yeah.
Looks like it was a crash, doesn't it?
Yeah, they crashed at our tree.
So here's what we've decided to do. Me and Titus were talking last night. We're gonna save the wheels because they're completely fine. They just need to be sanded and get some of the rust and stuff off of them. All the parts made of wood, of course, need to be replaced. I have a vision in my head, and I don't know, it's hard to like explain when it's in your head, but it's gonna look like a wagon, look like a normal wagon, but it's gonna have a top that we can put on it while it's the brooder box. And one side of the wagon is gonna be able to come down, like completely down. That way, when we're finished with it being the brooder box, we're gonna use it to put flowers in and decorations and stuff like that. So that was my one idea. My other idea is just to use the wheels to decorate what we build onto the chicken coop with, or chicken pen. The pen part is gonna be just like it is, and we're gonna build off of it so that we can have more room for the other chicks that we're getting. And we could use the wheels to decorate that to almost make it look not really like a wagon, but it would have the wagon wheels as decoration. You know, it would look like an old-timey little chicken house with wagon wheel decorations. That's my other idea. Which one should we do? Brooder box, decorative wagon, or just save what we can and use it to decorate the new part that we built onto the chicken pen? But I'm really surprised that the brakes still slide on that. I thought there would be like so much rust you couldn't even move it, but it still moves. Don't know how old it is. One of y'all said to look for notches or something somewhere. I mean, it's so completely messed up, you can't really tell what much of anything is. Some kind of tree was trying to grow in here. I found Sasquatch! This is Sasquatch! Supper tonight is the kids' request. a find what you want night. I'm gonna make some garlic chicken for some of us, and everybody else wants chicken strips. I'm gonna get the oven ready for these. We'll get these in the oven, then I'll do the garlic chicken. Let's see. Titus is gonna eat leftover sausage and cheese biscuits with gravy. And you want eggs and grits with it too?